Here's how to remove a Gmail account from your computer in 2026. If this helps you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're signed in to the Gmail account you want to remove. In the top right corner, click on your profile picture. From the menu, click Manage your Google account. Now click on the Security tab. Scroll down until you see the section called Your Devices. Click Manage Devices. Find the computer you want to remove, click on it, and choose Sign Out. This removes the Gmail account from that computer. You can also simply click your profile picture in Gmail and select Sign Out to remove the account from the browser. And that's it. Your Gmail account has been removed from the computer. Subscribe for more simple Gmail guides.